SHX, Stronghold token, just woke up in a big way, exploding 40% in the last 24 hours and now trading around $0.012, marking one of its strongest intraday moves in weeks. This is the kind of pump that doesn't happen randomly. SHX has been sitting quietly for a while, but today's sudden surge shows a major shift in sentiment, fresh liquidity inflows, and renewed attention from traders who had previously ignored the project. What's driving this momentum is a combination of improving fundamentals and rising interest in real-world asset and payments-focused tokens. Stronghold was never just a meme play. It's built around fast, enterprise-grade payment infrastructure, and over the past week, several fintech-focused forums and analysts have highlighted SHX as a low-priced but high-potential project entering a possible accumulation-to-breakout phase. That spotlight alone has brought new eyes on the token. At the same time, community buzz has picked up sharply. SHX-related mentions on crypto social media spiked, and that correlation with a rise in volume almost always leads to price movement, and that's exactly what happened. Traders who track low market cap, high-interest coins saw the sudden spike in activity, and once SHX broke above the 1 cent psychological barrier, momentum traders rushed in, accelerating the pump even further. On the technical side, things look very promising right now. The token broke out of a multi-week downtrend, reclaiming key levels that had acted as stiff resistance. This flip into bullish structure often signals that the sellers are exhausted and buyers are taking over. With today's breakout, SHX now has open space to test higher ranges. If momentum stays healthy, the next important level sits around $0.014, and if that gets taken out cleanly, SHX could make a run toward $0.016 to $0.018, a zone where heavy liquidity usually appears. What makes today's pump particularly interesting is how clean and steady the volume looks. It's not a flash spike. Liquidity genuinely increased. This suggests that buyers aren't just scalpers. There are longer-term investors stepping in as well. Combined with the renewed social interest and improved market conditions across small-cap altcoins, SHX suddenly looks like it's in a position to keep surprising the market. But the real story is the energy shift, from low-volume consolidation to a full-on breakout. SHX has re-entered the conversation in a big way. If the Stronghold team continues pushing updates and if community engagement keeps growing, the token could finally be setting up for a sustained upward phase instead of just a temporary pump.